Minority Report is a video blog on YouTube celebrating black-owned businesses, and you know that you can come to Minority Report anytime you need an honest product review, and that is exactly what I'm doing today. Today, I am going to be showing you a number of different laundry detergents from black-owned businesses. And you know, like I know, that we are conservative about our coins. We don't just buy anything and everything, but black-owned businesses offer more than just food. We're more than just hair care. We're more than just earrings. We actually have products that you can use every single day. Cleaning products, stuff that you can use around your house, fabric softeners, all that good stuff. And I'm going to show you exactly which products that you can find. Now, there are some products that are a lot more popular, some that are less known. We're going to get into that. We're going to talk about advertising and all the things that you need to consider when buying a laundry detergent. I'm actually going to wash a couple items. That's why I'm in a laundromat. I'm going to wash a couple items to see which one of these products work best. I'm going to show you which products that I have bought. This is not a sponsored video. I bought all of these products myself. So I'm going to tell you the real deal. You're going to find out which ones remove stains and which ones don't. You're going to find out what's real and what's hype. Now, with that being said, looking for a quality laundry detergent, because I'm picky about my clothes. I want a laundry detergent that I can wash in cold water or hot water. I want a laundry detergent that actually offers a fabric softener as well, because I don't like my clothes to be stiff. I don't want my colors to fade. I want my whites to stay white, but I want to use a product that is a quality product. And since I know I want to use a quality product, I'm sure that you want to use a quality product too. So let's go ahead and get into these products, and I'm going to show you each one. I actually have 6 of them. So can you believe that there are actually 6 black-owned laundry detergents out there that you can use? So let's get into that right now. The first laundry detergent I want to show you is New Wash. I actually got this from the Buy Black movement. It's a website. Actually, it's an entire network of various different black-owned businesses that you can find. It's anything from movies, DVDs, cosmetics, hair care, healthcare products, clothing. One of them, obviously, one of the products on the website, obviously, is laundry detergent. Now, this product brands itself as the official laundry of the Black family. So I'm going to tell you more about this after I put some things into the laundry. The next laundry detergent I want to show you is another powder product. This is from Pure Home. I got this in the lavender and grapefruit, and I did open it earlier, and I can honestly tell you, if I can unseal it, that it definitely smells like lavender and grapefruit. There's a, just want to pull it out. I love that there is this wooden scooper in here. Love that. I love the packaging. I love that I'm able to reseal it like a Ziploc bag almost. The next product I want to show you is from the Green Laundress. This product is only 16 ounces, but this brand actually promotes itself as a green product, so it's definitely eco-friendly. This is for people who have sensitive skin. It's a people-friendly company, and this too also has a very clean, fresh scent. Now, this company is participating in the Ultimate Black Love Gift Guide. For those of you who come back to my channel over and over and over again, I thank you and appreciate you. But those of you who are new, let me put you on to some game. Tell you about the Ultimate Black Love Gift Guide. The Ultimate Black Love Gift Guide is a coupon book that I put together every year celebrating Black love. It comes out every February 12th, the day before Valentine's Day. Yes, that is an official holiday. You can go through my YouTube channel, or you can visit my website, minorityreporttvshow.com, and you can read about or watch about the holiday Black Love Day. I actually met, about 2 years ago, I met with the founder and creator, Ayo Handy Kendi. It's a woman, Miss Io Handy Kendi. I call her Mama Io. She created Black Love Day. So I sat down and we talked about Black Love Day and the significance of African American holidays and celebrations and traditions. And with her blessing, I created the Ultimate Black Love Gift Guide. It is right now 70 coupons from different Black owned businesses. None of them expire for a year. So it's still, you have still plenty of time to go ahead and get your copy of the Ultimate Black Love Gift Guide. It's only $3.99 for 70 different coupons from Black owned businesses. The Green Line Dress is one of the participating businesses. You can get 10% off of this product. So I'm definitely saying you want to go and check them out. The next laundry detergent I want to tell you about is Purpose. Now, as you can see clearly, this is a liquid laundry detergent. It's calls itself 3 times concentrated, plant-based. According to what's on the bottle, you can get 50 loads of laundry done with just this one bottle, which to me sounds incredible. It smells, it's definitely plant-based. It has a plant-based smell. So it's not floral, it's not fruity, it's not mountain breeze. It has a plant-based smell. But what I love about Purpose laundry detergent is that it actually has a purpose. Every donation, every purchase that is made of Purpose laundry detergent, a donation is made to fund the awareness and education of autism, to support children and adults who are on the autism spectrum. Now, I am a auntie, I am a godmother, I am a cousin of family members who are on the autism spectrum. So this product I find to be absolutely incredible, absolutely amazing. The gentleman, I follow him on Instagram, I follow him on Facebook, I follow him on Twitter. Honey, I follow y'all everywhere. Needless to say, he left the fashion industry when he found out that his daughter had autism and started this product. So not only is it a laundry detergent, but it's also a product that creates awareness, and it also acts as a fundraiser. So if you are into products that are socially conscious, this is something that you may want to invest in. So check out Purpose. The next product that I want to show you again is another liquid laundry detergent. This company is called Nubian Pride. I love the packaging because it's red, black, and green. You know how I feel about my people, so I was all in as soon as I seen the packaging. Both of them are 32 ounces, so you can probably get about 32 loads or 32 washes from every bottle. This one is unscented. This one is scented. I did smell these two earlier. The unscented smells absolutely like nothing. The scented one does have like a floral scent. It prides itself on being economical. Nubian Pride prides itself on being environmentally safe, and this has low suds. So normally what I notice is the products that are more green, more eco-friendly, have more natural products in it, more plant-based products, have low suds. So I don't want you to think just because it's not sudsy that it's not cleaning your product, but we'll test them out and we'll see. Of all the laundry detergents that I've shown you, True Products is probably the one that you're most familiar with. This is by far out of the laundry detergents that I've purchased the most popular. This is the one that I've seen all over social media, all over the internet. This is the one that I've seen marketed and advertised the most. This is from a black owned business. I purchased this online, but there are locations where you can buy it in your city. You just want to go to the website. You can search by state, see if there's a location near you. You can go inside store, buy it right off the shelf. I purchased this online. I got the biggest bottle that they had, which is 101 ounces. If you just use a cap full, then you can probably get 101 loads out of it. Me personally, I like a lot of soap on my clothes, so I'm probably going to get about 17 loads out of this bottle, but it's the biggest of all of them, and again, the most popular brand. I love the packaging, I love the purple, I love the orange, I love the green, and I did smell this one earlier, and it has kind of, to me, it has like a bubblegum scent. Not a good thing, not a bad thing, just an observation. So this is one of the 6 brands that I'm going to show you. I'm going to wash with them. We're going to find out which one cleans the best, so you want to sit tight. Keep watching. While you're watching, go ahead and give this a big thumbs up. Share this thing, share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, call your peoples on the phone, let them know that Minority Report is giving you true and honest product reviews. So what I have done here was I took a white microfiber towel that I had in my car, cut it into 6 different strips because I have 6 laundry detergents to test, and I poured some barbecue sauce that I had in my refrigerator on each one, and I'm going to throw these in the wash, and we are going to test the laundry detergent to see how well they clean. I know this looks really, really gross, but this is the life of a product reviewer. It's just plain old wing sauce, y'all. Nothing spectacular. It has seasoning in it. So we're going to see how well each laundry detergent can get these stains out. So I'm going to throw these in the wash, and we're all going to find out. So on this side of the laundromat, I'm washing with the Green Laundress, True, Purpose, and New Wash. So you can see which products create suds. I hope that means that they're cleaning. I have no idea which product cleans best. We are all going to find out in a moment which product is going to get that wing sauce out of my microfiber fabric that I used. My son is in my frame. If you see his elbow or his head, say hi, Jalen. Okay, that wasn't a hi, but you can see what's going on over here. On this side of the laundromat with the washing machine that is out of order, I'm washing with Pure Home and Nubian Pride. Nubian Pride got a lot of suds going on over there, so I'm not sure which one is going to clean the best, but we are going to find out. And Pure Home, I think that there's a problem with that washing machine, so let me go figure that out right now, because I don't want to cheat the company and say that the product doesn't clean well when I actually have a malfunction with the washing machine. I washed all of the white microfiber strips. I washed them in individual washing machines using the individual black-owned laundry detergents. Each one I marked with a different marker, so I'll know which one is which when I go to throw them in the dryer. What I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you the strips in the light, in the sunlight, so you can see which ones clean the best, which one still is showing a stain. I'm going to smell them for you so I can show you, which ones you can still smell, because the Asian barbecue wing sauce has a certain odor to it, or a certain smell, certain scent to it, based on the seasonings that they use in the sauce, which I thought would be a really great way to show you which products work well. So hold on tight, let me show you what I got right now. I took this strip of microfiber towel and cut it into 6 pieces. I marked it with a green marker so that I would know that I washed this with the laundry detergent from the Green Laundress. And I'm holding it up in the window so you can see with the sunlight how much of the stain is still shown through the fabric. And that's quite a bit. You can see where it's white and then like still a little bit brown. So that's the end result, you guys. I can't make this stuff up. This is, again, Minority Report featuring black-owned businesses, where I give you very honest product reviews. Here I am with another microfiber strip. I marked this one with purple so that I would remember that this was from the company Purpose. And this one cleaned very well. Like, I don't know, can you see the stain? Like, I can't see the stain. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. There it is. I can't see the stain. Wait for my camera to autofocus again, but I'm showing this through the window so you can see the sunlight through the fabric, and I don't see a stain here. Now, this is from the company Purpose, the laundry detergent that I showed you before, that every bottle that you purchase, there's a donation made to the education and the awareness of autism. And that's what it looks like. I marked this one with purple. This is the strip that was washed with True. Again, True's the product that is like the most popular, the one that I see online the most. And this is what happened when I washed this microfiber strip, covered in barbecue wing sauce, when I washed it with True. Now this is a side-by-side comparison, y'all. I've shown you Purpose laundry detergent. I've shown you the results of the Green Laundress. This strip marked with purple is from True products. So you see it yourself, you guys. I'm not making this stuff up. It might be popular. It might be the one that's trending. It might be the one that's shown all over Instagram and Facebook, and it's the one that's getting all the press. But obviously, this is what it cleans like. So you go ahead and you tell everybody that you've seen it on Minority Report. If you want an honest product review, not just advertising, not just marketing, but you want the truth about how products work from different black-owned businesses, this is what it looks like, you guys. Here's another microfiber strip. I marked this one in black because this one was the one washed in Nubian Pride. Hanging it in the window so you can see. I don't see the stain, you guys. I don't see it. It's not there. If it is there, it's barely there. Hold on, let me hang it out a little bit more so you can get an honest view of what it looks like. Again, I covered it in black at the top so I could remember that I washed this in Nubian Pride. Hanging in the window, this is natural sunlight. Covered this in Asian barbecue wing sauce. Washed it in Nubian Pride, and this is what it looks like, you guys. I think I can see it. It's very, very faint, but this is what it looks like. This is the end result. Wash this with Nubian Pride, you guys. Let's hang it this way. Is that gonna make a difference? Still can't see it. Trying to give you every angle here. Nope, I can't see it. Here's another microfiber strip. I marked this in blue so that I remember I washed this with the New Wash laundry detergent. You can clearly see the stain on this one. Again, every strip was poured with the exact same barbecue wing sauce, washed in a laundry detergent from a black-owned business. I'm hanging it in natural sunlight so you can see how well the product works. This blue one, this is from New Wash laundry detergent. It's a powder wash, and it's branding itself as the official laundry detergent of the Black family. That's the auto zoom kicking in, you guys. Natural sunlight, you can still see the stain. Now this microfiber strip, I marked in red so that I will remember I washed this with Pure Home laundry detergent, and you can clearly see the stain on this one. Now this one, I'm really surprised because I actually washed this twice. The washing machine that I used the first time, for whatever reason, it was a malfunction. Like, it was spinning, but there was no water. Or there was like a little bit of water. Like, it skipped cycles. Like, it washed for like 3 minutes and like that was it. So I actually took it out, put it in a different washing machine, used the laundry detergent, and again, you can clearly see, hanging it in the window so you can get the natural light to come through, and you can still see the stain. So you judge for yourself which of these products works best.